Have you ever driven past a Burger King and thought, man, I could go for a burger? Or perhaps you've been in the mall or an airport and you've thought, you know what, I really feel like having a Cinnabon right now. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about a top secret method that big brands use to sell stuff to you and get you to buy things that you didn't necessarily even intend to buy. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 3 techniques that you can use to help optimize your business using the power of scent. But first, a little bit about the science behind why this works. So, unlike your other senses, the sense of smell or your olfactory system connects directly to your limbic system, bypassing your conscious and subconscious and going directly to the areas of your brain that evoke memories and feelings. See, it's not just about what your customers see or hear when they walk in your business. It's about what they feel. If you can react to the customer's sense of smell, you're hitting them on an emotional level. Smart businesses leverage this connection by releasing smells that make you feel a certain kind of way. So Burger King uses vent hoods that push the flame-broiled burger scent out into the air. Cinnabon has been known to put their locations in airports and malls where they know that the smell is going to be trapped and can't escape, so that you're going to always smell that lingering cinnamon sugar smell. They even bake trays of cinnamon and sugar just so that you can smell that smell all the time and be attracted to come buy one. Smell to sell. And your business doesn't even have to be food related. Abercrombie & Fitch was notorious for having a very specific scent that they sprayed in the air, and eventually they even built sprayers to deploy scent around all of their stores so that it had a consistent smell throughout. To this day, if you ask old Abercrombie & Fitch fans, yes, because most of them are old, what they remember most about the store, they will often mention the scent. Again, because scent is directly connected to memory and feeling. So scent evokes very strong feelings, very strong memories, and when you ask people about a specific brand, like Abercrombie & Fitch or Burger King, they'll often mention the smell of the place. Again, use this to your advantage. You can find the technique that we're talking about today, as well as other marketing and sales techniques for your business, available in my book, Deliberate Experience Design, available in the link below. The entire point is that how things smell, how people feel, how they interact with your business is no accident. These things can be designed deliberately, and big brands already know this. My goal is to help small businesses learn the same techniques and use these kind of tools to optimize their business. Now let's talk about the 3 techniques that your business can use to build the best experience for your customers. But first, a word from our sponsor, me. Yes, me. This message goes out to any struggling business owner, any struggling entrepreneur. If you're out there and you're trying your hardest and it is a grind and you're really struggling, I just want you to know that you're going to make it. That's right, you're going to make it. You're going to keep on going, you're going to keep on trying. The very nature of the fact that you're watching this video means that you really care and you're really trying to build something. So keep going, never give up. You've absolutely got this. Now, on to those 3 techniques we mentioned. Here's how to optimize your business using scent. Tip number 1. The first smell that somebody smells upon experiencing your business will have a halo effect and determine how they feel for the entire visit. This is a concept called priming. The idea is that the very first thing they encounter will set the tone for the rest of the visit. What this means is that the smell, wherever you're placing your scent, needs to be encountered at the outset. So that means near the entrance or whenever they first experience your business. Pro tip, this includes the outside of your location. So if outside are a bunch of people smoking by the front door, or you have some smelly trash cans, you need to take care of that right away. Because the same way that scent can be used to make you feel good, it can also prime them for a negative experience. So it's up to you to take care of any smelly things outside of your business and make the entrance to your business smell good. Now, some of you may be thinking that what's outside of your business might be the landlord's problem or someone else's problem. But if you're in business, you should already know that everything is your responsibility and it needs to be taken care of. So make sure there's nothing smelly outside, and make sure that the entranceway is where you first prime them to smell something nice and connected with your business. Which brings us to tip number 2. This one's about synergy. There should be a synergy between the scent that you choose for people to experience with your business and what your business is about. That means that if you're a Mexican restaurant, the smell of tortillas is a good idea. If you're a bakery, you want to have some sort of warm bread or maybe even cookies in there. You don't want to have a burger smell in a dentist office. You don't want to have a mint smell in your burger place. So always consider a synergy between what it is you're trying to accomplish and the way you want to make people feel and what it is you're selling. Use your scent wisely and connect it to your business. Tip number 3, if you don't know what smell to use and you're completely lost, but you do want to use scent to help market and optimize your business, try using these different scents. The smell of mint is often associated with freshness. The smell of cinnamon is often associated with warmth and home. The smell of citrus, specifically lemon, is often associated with cleanliness. And finally, vanilla contains a chemical called vanillin, which evokes feelings of love and safety. Use these techniques to optimize your business. Now that you know a little bit about smell and how it's used, maybe you can design a scent for your business to help optimize your marketing and sales. My whole point here is that the sense of smell is a huge determiner of your emotions. Setting a customer's emotion to feel a certain way is much more powerful than any form of advertising. So the next time you're trying to sell something, or specifically if you're trying to design an experience around a retail space, consider how the place smells. If you can control that sense of smell, you can control the emotions that people feel when they go into it. By controlling those emotions, they're much more likely to behave however it is you want.